Hello, beautiful creative people! Thank you for choosing and purchasing the sewing Milash buttons. Let's assemble it. Step 1. Print first page of the button with a test square on it. Check sides of the square. It should be 4 centimeters each. Otherwise, change your printer settings to real size or actual printing. Step 2. Cut margins. You can cut all margins or follow more convenient way. Cut just top and left or bottom and right margins. Step 3. Place button sheets in order of their numbers. Step 4. Match diamond-shaped marks and pattern lines. Then glue the sheets together with tape. Step 5. Cut pattern details. And guys, I want to share a tip with you. You can apply it to your favorite sewing patterns. Just use transparent, high-density polyethylene for transferring pattern details. It will make your pattern flexible and perfect for multiple usage. You can find high-density polyethylene at any gardening store. I hope this video was helpful. Happy sewing and enjoy your new garments!